Hi and welcome to another video at BooksGenie.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create one of the latest puzzles that we released recently, which is the drop code puzzles or the letter drop puzzles. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to create a project. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that by clicking on the create new project here. The pop-up shows up. We can either choose custom project to select specific configurations, or we can choose one of the pre-configured settings. So in my case, I'm just going to use puzzle book for the sake of this demo. Provide a title. In this case, I'm going to do this one and call it drop codes puzzles. For the page counts, for the sake of this demo, to speed up things, I'm just going to use 25 pages here. And click on next. This is just a recap of what are the settings that we chose, and this is the exact settings that you should select when you upload the book into Amazon KDP, and make sure to enable the bleed there as well. With that being said, let's create the project. And our project opens up in the project editor, and we can create the drop code puzzles very easily by going to the AI magic. So in case you don't see this menu here, if it was like this for you, you can just go ahead and click on the AI magic. And then we scroll all the way down and you can see that we have the drop code puzzle. This was recently released, so let's give it a try. Click on it will bring a very familiar wizard on how we create puzzles easily at BooksGenie.ai. So what you need to provide is a theme, like what are the codes about. If you don't have an idea or a theme already, you can always use the AI to help you with some suggestion. So I click the suggest themes here. And then you have like multiple themes to choose from, right? So I'm just going to use this one, inspirational codes for entrepreneurs and hustlers, and you can then choose a language. I will just choose English for now. And here you can also change the title of the puzzles. By default, it will be drop code, and the counter here will be replaced by the number of the puzzle, like an incremental number. Then click on next. At this step here, puzzles, we are asked to select the pages where we want the puzzles to be placed. So in my case, I'm going to choose the page number 1. And I'm going to go all the way to, let's say, 10. I'm going to create 10 drop codes puzzles. Then I'm going to choose next. Now at this step here, solutions, we are being asked to choose the pages where the solution of the puzzles will be, which means since we selected 10 pages previously, we need to also select 10 pages for the solutions. In that case, in my case, I'm basically going to leave this page blank because I want to put like title here, solution, and this one will be blank. And then my solution starts from this page. I'm going to select 10. And then the button activates here and you can click on generate. Give it some time for the AI to come up with some codes and create the puzzle for us. All right, it was pretty fast here. So if I go to page number 1, I can see that I have my drop code puzzle here. And it gives you this hint so that you will be able to basically solve this puzzle. And as you can see, page number 2 has a different puzzle and a different hint, and page number 3 as well. And if I scroll all the way to page number 10, then the page that I left blank, and then this one was also left blank, and then our solution starts. And you can see that now the solution for the previous puzzle, or puzzle number 1, is this one. As you can see, the code was make opportunities, not excuses. It's pretty cool. As always with our puzzles, you can customize how they look and feel. So if you select one of these you can see that you have different options here. For example, we can choose the grid line colors. If I click on it, I will be able to choose, let's say, maybe I'm going to use red here. You can see that it became red. And then the cells for the code here, we can change also this color, or like the background color. For example, I'm going to use maybe this green here. And then for these empty or black cells here, I'm going to choose a different color. In this case, maybe I'm going to use this lighter green here. So that's how you can actually customize it. Also for the solution text, you can also change the text. For example, I can use maybe this dark green. as you can see. And we can also change the text of the letters that we have here at the top. So maybe I'm going to use this one. So this is how you can customize it. And obviously you can also scale it. You can increase its size and so on. And feel free to play around with the different settings that you have here. Now, let's say this is a look you want to go after. You don't have to go and repeat yourself and do all of these in all the puzzles that you created. You can just go ahead here, right click, choose apply to similar, and then you will be asked to confirm, because this will go and search the book for all the drop code puzzles and change their look and feel to look similar to the one you just selected. So I'm going to click confirm to see that it will actually update all my book. Great. Now, if I go to all the pages, you can see that all of them have been updated to look like this green color that we chose. This is actually fully editable, so you can actually edit the book how it is formatted however you like, right? For example, I would like to have 2 puzzles in a single page. I can just go ahead here and then copy this one, right? I'm just going to copy it here, and I just go to the first page and paste it and then place it down here. So this is fully editable. You can change the look and feel of your books however you want. So now I have like a page with 2 puzzles. Once you are happy with your book, obviously you create a page title and so on. You can always export it to Amazon KDP by clicking on export. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.